It's off life support, but it's still on Prozac. We're finding it's okay, but you've just got to work it.
Real estate's based on supply and demand, and we certainly have an oversupply of properties at the moment. We're running with about 3,000 listings, and then in a traditional market it should be down to about 1,500.
The market in Belmont's good. There's two different areas where it's actually happening, and that is, one is development potentials due to the rezoning that's being submitted with the WAPC. Those properties are actually selling pretty quickly.
We actually keep those statistics, and we're averaging anywhere between probably 2 people per home open, which isn't a lot. But look, it's the day of technology. 99% of people are using the internet to actually qualify themselves, so the home open is the last point of contact.
There's a lot more first home buyers who are first home investors looking for properties under $500,000, just getting out there to see what the market's like, or have their finances sorted and just doing a lot of research as to what they can purchase.
We're getting all the numbers through the doors, but getting them to, there's a bit of uncertainty in the market, so getting them to actually make an offer is becoming quite difficult. As they're more informed and they know that there's more opportunities out there, the stock levels are quite high.
I don't think you're ever going to have a better choice, firstly of properties, and secondly of vendors that aren't necessarily desperate, but they just want to get on with their lives and move.
When making an offer, be reasonable with the terms of your contract, because the properties that are on the market won't stay around for long.
If you see a property that's on the market that may be out of your price range, it's listed at a different price, maybe keep an eye on the property or make an offer early, because that property will probably come back to meet the market, and if you are keen on that property, you don't want to miss out.
Prices have been on a downward run for the last probably 6 to 12 months. I certainly feel many sectors are now bottomed out, so it is certainly a good time for many of my buyers. I'm saying it's a good time to get in and buy now, because I think we've seen the bottom end.
I would say be patient. Average days on market around the 70 days at the moment. There is a lot of competition out there, and people are taking their time in making decisions.
Make your place very, very attractive. The answer is there's a lot out there to choose from, and unless you're priced right, you won't sell.
Vendors have to get their properties priced correctly because they're competing against so many other listings.
If you're a seller, price the property right. Don't go for that higher price that you think that you might be able to get. So say you were interested in putting your market on at $540, but you want to achieve $530, just put it on for $530.
Out of this will come an exciting time. So it's like any game, you've got to have your ups to have your downs, and at the moment, yeah, it's flat, but no, we're doing okay.
It's always a good time. I've been doing it 22 years and I love it, I'm passionate about it. And look, you're making people's dreams come true, whether it be buying or selling, and clients that you might have dealt with 20 years ago, as the years progress, you can actually call them friends.
I love being a real estate agent. It's a lot of fun, it's great meeting new people and helping people to sell and buy.